For this year's party, I chose a bowling theme. The setup was pretty easy. We reserved a few lanes at the local bowling alley, and lunch was included. This backdrop was created using bowling pin balloons, black plates with white dots, a black and white polka dot tablecloth on a red tablecloth, and a few cupcakes with some other bowling theme items. Here's another look at the plates with white dots stuck on top with silverware, straws, and napkins. The silverware was made by taking white silverware and wrapping thin red tape around the bottom. Here's a shot of the candy and cupcakes. Next, you'll see bowling ball cookies, red gumballs, clear bowling pin cases with white marshmallows, and chocolate balls. These pins were made from Rice Krispie treats and red licorice. These balls can be found online. You can purchase these cookies at your local bakery. The cupcakes are also pretty simple and can be found at your local bakery. These miniature candies have the design of the party theme. The bowling themed jello can be made using pudding and red jello with a bowling ball topper on a toothpick. You can probably find this sign online and print it out on white cardstock or design it in Photoshop. This can also be designed in Photoshop and printed on white cardstock. I made these water bottle labels in Photoshop and added them to the side of the water using tape. The treat bags were pretty simple as well. I used white bags and printed red bars on sticker paper, cut them out, and applied them to the front. I also cut out a bowling ball image, punched holes for the finger holes, and added the ball to the front of the bag. These mint bags were also made using Photoshop and printed on sticker paper and added to the side of a small bag. These clear containers have a strike image on top and have a few more mints inside. I purchased these bowling pin ink pens from Amazon and added them to the inside of the treat bags. Here is a picture of her cake. Her banner was made using bowling pins and bowling balls, cut on white cardstock. I decided to make a phone number to celebrate her age. I used a design found online and made the number 8 using foam boards. I added balloons in the themed colors to the inside. I purchased her shirt from Amazon and added her name and age to the back with iron-on material. I also made her a simple tutu with blue, red, and black tulle. This is how her invitation came out. I found a simple design online and added her information. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.